UDK 149 is VELP's automatic and cloud-enabled Kjeldahl analyzer for the determination of nitrogen, protein, and volatiles following official methods. The UDK 149 incorporates state-of-the-art technology, offering the highest versatility and flexibility, thanks to the ability to connect to various external titrators for simultaneous distillation and titration. The UDK 149 provides accurate, precise, and reproducible results to laboratories requiring reliability and safety in the food, feed, environmental, chemical, and pharmaceutical fields. The intuitive user interface and the bright 7-inch touchscreen make the UDK 149 a smart and easy-to-use analyzer. The user management option ensures security and compliance, granting access with 3 levels of authorization. To start, homogenize the sample and transfer it into a VELP test tube. Connect the UDK 149 to a balance for seamless data transfer. The optional barcode reader simplifies data management and speeds up the analysis preparation, avoiding transcription errors. Create a new method following the guided procedure. The multitasking software allows the user to set up a series of analyses, saving valuable time. The comfortable lever guides the operator to load the test tube into the correct position. The reagents are automatically dosed with extreme precision, providing a simple and safe operation for reliable analytical results. The powerful steam flow with variable steam output ensures maximum versatility for any application requirement powered by the patented steam generator. The unique technopolymer splash head guarantees exceptional chemical resistance and allows ammonia to proceed for condensation. The patented titanium condenser guarantees efficient thermal exchange and low water consumption for a total nitrogen recovery. The UDK 149 offers a connection to external titrators for the quantification of nitrogen and protein content. At the end of the analysis, automatic tube draining helps save valuable time. The UDK 149 stores the analysis results in the onboard archive. It is possible to export data to PC and LIMS in multiple formats via USB or Ethernet. Nitrogen determination reaches a new level with the VELP Hermes cloud platform, the smart lab solution allowing real-time monitoring of your UDK 149 wherever you are at any time. VELP Hermes ensures the UDK 149 achieves maximum uptime with remote service and application support. Access from a PC, smartphone, or tablet to manage multiple instruments, analysis data, and instrument working conditions, receiving immediate event and alarm notifications. VELP UDK 149, the versatile Kjeldahl distillation unit designed just for you.